Hello everyone, welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we're going to open another present in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent box from Missouri Star Quilt Company. This is gift number 11. Take a look at that. Isn't that pretty? And it's a box with the snowflake print with little Chuck on it. Isn't that cute? All right, we ready? All right, let's open it because I can't wait anymore. Let's do this. Anticipation's killing me, right? Doing the same thing with you too, huh? Yeah, these gifts so far have been so amazing. I will definitely buy this box again. I mean, just for the quality so far, it's absolutely amazing. All right. Ooh, it's a wooden box. Look how pretty. Okay, nothing else is in there. Look at how pretty this is. I love that their design has that quilt block in it, and it's just so pretty. Look at this. Missouri Star Quilt Company. That is so pretty. All right, I'm dying to know what's in it. Are you too? Are we ready? All right, let's open this up. Oh, cool. Oh, this is cool. So it's got a magnet with needle threader and a couple of needles in it. So this could be like a sewing kit, like for travel, when you're traveling. Not on the airplane though, because of the needles, but you could put bobbins, you could put thread, like floss cards full of thread in here. Make yourself a little mini travel kit. This is so cool. You could use this as a coaster, but I don't want to ruin it. I mean, I don't want to ruin the wood. That's so cool. And it's got, feels like little magnets on the corners here. Yeah, in the corners built in so that it helps keep the lid on. There you go. Easy to come off for us with carpal tunnel and arthritis. Easy to come off. But yet very cool. So you could definitely put this in your purse for travel when you're in the car and you're working on a project. You could have a pack of needles, your essentials in here, and just throw that in your purse. And away you go. Very pretty. Love that. Jenny, you did it again. It's a really cool, well-made gift. I think that's pretty. And this was gift number 11. Cool. There you go. So I hope you had as much fun unboxing today's gift as I did. And I hope you stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV for more fun and more unboxing of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2024. And until I see you tomorrow for the next present, which will be number 12, I want you to take care and have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye-bye.